Hello everyone, welcome to the Sujata Show. Today in this episode we are making whole roast chicken. There are so many ways to roast a chicken, but this method produces incredible crunchy and juicy flavor. I use this ingredient to make the whole roast chicken. Okay, let's get started. Here I got a 1 pound organic whole chicken. The number of key to a crispy chicken is getting it as dry as possible, so I'm putting this chicken inside the freeze for whole night, so that way it makes dry and we can see the result. Okay, I'm going to open the freeze. It's been 8 hours. We can see that I did not cover the chicken so that the water is all out of the chicken, and here's no more visible moisture left on the chicken. I want some flavor from outside and inside, so I cut this chicken in this way. On the both side you can see. This method lets excess moisture out and guarantee you crispy and juicy chicken. So we will do 2 marination today, and it's time for first marinade. I will combine all of these in the bowl. So I got 2 tablespoons lemon juice, half tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon salt, half tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon olive oil. So this olive oil helps to stick the marination in the chicken. That's why I'm using this. I'm going to mix this all together. So now it's time to marinate all in chicken, outer and inner part. I'm using my hand and gently massaging it. I want this flavor every corner of the chicken. I'm almost done with the marinade of the outer part of the chicken. And it's time to turn the chicken this and putting the same way in the side of the chicken. I'm almost done with the first marination. Now you can see I have little extra remaining seasoning. So what I'm thinking to do, I put all inside the chicken so that you can get best flavor. See? Yeah, all inside the chicken in this way, so you can get all flavor inside and outside the chicken. Right. And let's do the second marination. Start it. So now it's time for second marination. I'm using the same bowl to marinate all my seasoning. So I got 2 tablespoons yogurt with no water. I got 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. I got 1 tablespoon red chili powder. I got 1.5 tablespoon tandoori masala. Half tablespoon cumin powder. One tablespoon kasturi methi. And now gonna combine all together and making a paste. We exactly need our paste exactly like that. I mean to say not too thin, exactly like that. So it's easy to marinate our whole chicken. And now I got red food color. It's optional. It's not like you have to take in. It's up to you. If you wanna like a little bit reddish color, you can take that. If you don't want a color, you don't have to do that. So it's optional. Again mixing it together and you can see the color. The color is changing and looks so much better. And at last I got 1 tablespoon salt. And the reason I'm using salt at last is it does not blows you after a water. This is a small technique to help cook better and perfect way. I'm mixing all this together. See? I think now my paste is ready to marinate. Okay, let's start at the marinade. Our second marinade, yeah. Again, I'm using my hand and massaging chicken on both sides. In the same way we did with our first marinade. I'm almost done with the upper part of the chicken. I'm going to turn the chicken and doing same thing, massaging. Taking all my seasons, all of the chicken, all over the chicken, yeah, like that. Okay. Now I'm putting extra seasoning. See, I have extra seasoning, so now I'm putting my extra seasoning inside the chicken in this way, see. So you can get the best flavor in this technique. So I'm using this thread, this little bit thick thread, to tighten this chicken. So I will show you how can I tighten the chicken. I'm gonna do a little knot and tighten it up, go in between the breast and the legs. So that way we will not over, the spices will not come out. So this way you will get nice, neat, even cooked with all spices and with olive oil. See, we can do tight as possible, as much as possible. And also, after we done this, we have to leave this chicken inside the freeze for at least 4 hours. So we will get the result, it will get more flavory. Just before you are take it in, preheat the oven to 375 degrees for 1.5 hours, and you can see the result after that. The smell at this point from the spices and lemon is incredible. It's fragrance of the whole roasted chicken, and we are ready to serve. Now I can show you how it's cooked from outside and inside, and how it's crunchy from outside and juicy from inside. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please like my video and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.